Hi guys. Hi. Okay. So I have Facebook here and I have Instagram here. So sorry if I'm looking back and forth, but I wanted to go on both of these to talk about meal planning. So I get asked quite often what are some meal plan tips? How do I plan out my day of what I'm going to eat? Yeah, stuff like that. So I thought I'd jump on and give you just a couple of tips that will hopefully help you with your meal plan and sticking to your nutrition. Hopefully the kids stay quiet, please. Okay, so for me, what I do is in the morning when I get up, I kind of figure out, okay, what am I going to have for breakfast? And it's usually always the same. I have a cup of coffee, I have some water, and I usually make a protein shake. That's usually my go-to breakfast because getting 4 kids ready in the morning and, out the door for school, or if I have to go teach a fitness class. Hang on, Tucker. So that's just my go-to. It's just something super simple that I can have on the go. So I make that, and then I plug it into my FitnessPal app. I highly, highly recommend getting the app. It's for free. You don't have to do pay the upgrade or whatever. I forget what it's called. You don't have to do that. I don't. I just do the free version, and it works just fine because, as you guys know, I track my macros. But these meal plan tips will work for anybody. If you're tracking your macros, if you're counting points, you're doing portion control stuff, whatever it is that you're doing for your nutrition and keeping track of it, these tips will help for all of it. So it doesn't matter how you're tracking your food. So my suggestion is, when you eat your breakfast, plug that in right away into my FitnessPal app. Then you need to decide what you're having for dinner. That is what you should plan first and have it in the app and track. So you have your breakfast planned and your dinner planned next, okay? Then after that, you can go in and fill in the rest of your day. So if you're not going to do my FitnessPal, you could do a template, and it's on Instagram, it's in the link in my bio, and on Facebook, it's in the comment section. I have an ebook all about planning and prepping guide that will help you guys out as well, and you can just do it on a piece of paper if you want. But when you do it this way, when you plan your breakfast and dinner first, then you're not screwing yourself over at the end of the day. So let's say you do it in order. Let's say you are going to do it, gosh dang it, every time I make a video or go live, someone calls me. Okay, so let's say you're going to do it in order. You're going to do your breakfast, a snack, a lunch, a snack, and a dinner. By the time you get to that mid-afternoon snack or dinner, you're probably going to screw yourself. You're probably going to have way too much that you have to eat because you didn't consume enough throughout the day, or you already ate so much throughout the day, then when you go to eat your dinner, you don't have enough left over to eat. You don't have enough of your macros or your calories or your points or whatever it is that you're doing. You're going to screw yourself over, whether it's I have so much now that I have to eat and make up because I didn't eat enough throughout the day, or, well, crap, I ate so much throughout the day, I only have, a couple hundred calories that I can only have for dinner. Otherwise, I'm going to go over. So this is why you need to plan your breakfast and your dinner first. Sorry, there we go. Then you can fill in the gaps. So this is what I do. So today, for example, this is what I did in the morning because I already knew what I was going to have for dinner. So I had my breakfast and I plugged it into my FitnessPal app. For dinner, I know that we're going to have Panera. So I go on my FitnessPal and I plug in the Panera sale that I'm going to have. Now I know where I'm at for the rest of the day with my calories and my macros. And then I can fill in the blanks with a morning snack. Now I can fill in, okay, what am I going to have for lunch that's going to fit into those calories and get my macros in, your protein, your fat, and your carbs. And then what can I have for my afternoon snack? This way you're not screwing yourself over at the end of the day when you have to sit down and have dinner. And like I said before, either you have to eat so much dinner or just so little because you have to fit it all in. So that is just a quick tip, is to plan your breakfast and your dinner first. Then go and fill in the rest of the day. So you can just do it on a sheet of paper and a template. You could do it on MyFitnessPal app. It's super easy to do, and it's, like I said, it's for free. And let's say if you are going out for dinner, MyFitnessPal app does have 90% of all of the restaurants on there. So if you know what you're eating, plan ahead of time. If you're gonna go out for dinner, go online on their website and look at their menu, figure out what you want to get, go to MyFitnessPal, and you can see all the nutrition there, the calories there, and the macro breakdown, and you can do it there. Plan that out first, so then when you get to the restaurant, it's already planned out for you. It's already in your FitnessPal app or on your sheet of paper, and then you're good to go. So that is just a quick tip on planning. That's how I've been doing it for years, and it's been working out. That is what I recommend to a couple of my friends and family and the clients that I've had. That's what I recommend. And this way, you're not going to screw yourself over, and it's not hard to do. It's going to take you a couple minutes to plan it out, and you can plan out your week as well. So Sunday, if you want to plan out your week, if you're super busy and you don't feel like doing it day by day or the morning of, plan it a week ahead of time, and then prep a week ahead of time, and then you can grab as you go. So that was just a quick tip. I didn't want to be on here super long because I have shit to do. So yeah, so that's my tip, is plan your breakfast and your dinner first, then fill in the rest of the day with your snacks and your lunch, and you'll be set to go, and you'll hit your macros, calories, points, whatever you're doing. Then you'll be good to go with your nutrition, and it'll help you stay on track. So I don't want to hear those excuses that it's going to take too long to plug in my food, to plan it out. It only takes a couple minutes, and it's going to save you the aggravation of maybe not staying on track or gaining the weight. Is because you don't exactly know what you're eating. So plan it out, all right? And if you have any other questions, let me know. I would love to help you. I'm no expert. I'm not a nutritionist. I'm just a fitness enthusiast, and this is what has helped me and my past clients. So that's just a little tip. And like I said, you can go and get the ebook. I have a meal plan and prep guide ebook on my website at funfitnessmama.com that has more tips in there, and has recipes, and it has a printable template that you can use too. So if everybody has a great Friday, go plan out your meals and have a great weekend. Bye guys.